Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Auric Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner. Conventional floor scrubbers can be difficult to use. Auric Commercial Orb 550MC Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner works differently. The brush head rotates in a random orbit for easy-to-use fingertip control. With several cleaning pads, brushes and cleaning solutions for purchase, it's versatile enough to tackle virtually any job on any floor surface and gives you amazing, professional-looking results every time. Random orbit pattern movement allows the machine to easily glide over the floor, and prevents brush marks, swirls, and gouges. Simple to scrub and polish all floor surfaces, as well as deep clean your carpets. The wide 13-inch cleaning path makes tough chores a breeze. Sand, refinish, strip, scrub, wax, and polish all floor surfaces, as well as deep clean your carpets. The Auric Commercial Orbiter is virtually maintenance-free. The precision-engineered induction motor is constructed of durable zinc and steel, and there are no gears, belts, or motor brushes that can wear out. Give up your traditional cleaning method and use this electric spin scrubber. The cleaning will be like a breeze. Save your time and efforts to enjoy yourself. No more bending and kneeling to clean. Lightweight and intelligent design is friendly to the elder and those with waist problems. Number 2 in this best floor cleaning machine for tile list is Groubel Steam Cleaner. New generation appearance and functionality design steam is generated in 50 seconds, and the steam temperature can reach 230 to 260 degrees Fahrenheit. It has both dry and wet modes, no waiting required, and can be refilled at any time. It has dimensions of 9.2 by 9.2 by 8.4 inch, a 7.2 foot extended hose, and a 2.2 liters water tank. With steam at 230 to 260 degree Fahrenheit, you can achieve chemical-free cleaning. From laminate floors and tile floors to the sofa and car seats, our steam cleaner tackles dirt, grime, and stains. Additionally, allowing you also to clean areas like the auto engine bay, wood deck, grout, windows, car detailing, shower cleaning, removing wallpaper, glass, and toys. They are no ongoing expenses for cleaning supplies. Additionally, they can prolong the lifespan of your furniture and interior decorations, saving you replacement costs. All while providing an eco-friendly and safe cleaning solution for you and your family. The Groubel Steam Cleaner is designed for quick surface cleaning with its 50-second rapid heating time and on-demand refilling design. With its high-temperature steam, you can clean faster and more thoroughly than traditional cleaning methods. It is the ideal choice for cleaning sofas, mattresses, spot details, toilets, car seats, fabric surfaces scrubbing, kitchens, bathrooms, beds, windows, curtains, showers, ovens, grills, and removing wallpaper from walls. Our third choice is Hoover Floor Mate Hard Floor Cleaner. Hoover's spin scrub brushes powerfully remove dirt with 360 degrees of scrubbing while being gentle on your floors. Plus, strong suction picks up the dirty water so you're never pushing around dirty water. Use wash mode to use the brushes to clean while suctioning up dirty water, while dry mode stops the brushes to pick up water for a faster dry time. Spin, scrub brushes do the hard work for you so you never have to get on your hands and knees. Floor Mate Deluxe uses clean water and scrubs while suctioning to effortlessly get up unseen dirt and stuck on messes. Comfort at home is our priority. Our products are designed to improve the well-being of your home because when your house feels good, it helps you to feel good too. Hoover Floor Mate makes the bathroom cleaning brush portable and easy to use everywhere. Once fully charged, the electric brush can work for 90 minutes. IPX7 waterproof extends the shower scrubber brush working life and ensures a clean bathtub more convenient. Comes with 8 brush heads. Multifunctional brush heads can solve almost all cleaning tasks. Flat brush for surfaces like tile floor, wall and pool. Corner brush is great for cleaning tile grout, edges, corners, hard to reach areas and car wheel. Cloth brush is for fragile delicate surface like car body, windows and furniture. Scouring pad is used for kitchen grease cleaning, such as stove top, grease-stained walls, pots. The sponge is good for glass, desk. Wool-like brush is perfect for car body, windows, leather wear. Fourth pick in this best floor cleaning machine for tile list is Granvelle Electric Spin Scrubber. Compared to others' 250 RPM low power versions, this electric spin scrubber has a stronger spin power of 400 RPM, so it cleans stubborn stains and grouts more effectively than others. It's suitable for deep cleaning the bathtub, shower and tile in bathroom, as well as sink, countertop, oily area in kitchen and other areas in the house. Please use it with a cleaner. The bathtub scrubber has two speeds, higher speed of 400 RPM and lower speed of 300 RPM. The cordless electric scrubber can be used as both handheld scrubber and long handle scrubber, very versatile especially with multiple brushes. The handheld portable scrubber is 9.8 inches and 0.85 pounds, great for close-up cleaning. The long handle scrubber extends from 43 to 55 inches, which can clean hard to reach areas or high ceilings. The spin scrubber is cordless. 3 hours of fast charging for 90 minutes of runtime. It displays the batter level. Cleaning with power scrubber can save a lot of time compared to old ways. The portable electric spin scrubber can remove the stains and grouts without rubbing back and forth using traditional scrubber or towel. The electric shower scrubber is lightweight, so it is friendly to the elderly and people with body soreness. The spinner wet mop reaches the hardest places with its 360-degree swivel action. Our telescoping handle is constructed of a lightweight, durable alloy, and a self-balancing feature to prevent spilling of water while on the move. Our bucket spinner system has advanced built-in wringer spin cycle technology, allowing for complete control of the drying and wringing out of the mop to our desired moisture level. Our fifth and last choice is Eureka Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Eureka new 200 all-in-one vacuum mop that vacuums up debris and washes at the same time, giving your hard floors a new look. Ultra Motor Power 450W. A good solution for household hard floor cleaning. All-in-one powerhouse that combines the deep cleaning benefits of a traditional upright vacuum, sucking up debris and embedded dirt, with the refreshing clean of a mop to remove sticky and stuck debris. With Eureka new 200 corded wet dry vacuum mop, you can really enjoy a truly clean home. Clean water tank, 800 milliliters, dirty water tank, 420 milliliters. Eureka's two-tank system means you are always cleaning with fresh water, while dirty water and debris are collected in a separate tank, allows for one-time cleaning of the house without changing the water during the cleaning process. Easily maneuver around furniture, along cabinets and into corners that are often missed, thanks to swivel steering and optimized design, to ensure you can deliver a complete cleaning to every nook and cranny with this vacuum mop. Easily switch between cleaning hard floors and area rugs, control your cleaning with an on-demand solution trigger. Set the upright vacuum mop on the storage tray, and push the self-clean button. The rolling brush will be self-cleaned without making your hands dirty. Push-down pump handle design allows for easy 360-degree spinning of the mop for fast and controllable wringing out of water. No dripping, no streaking, no mess. Super absorbent, great for cleaning any hard floor household surface. This floor cleaning tool able to remove the toughest dirt and grime while also picking up crumbs, hair, and much more. The spinner feature is detachable and the bucket's drain plug makes for easy disposal of dirty water. You will never touch the mop head again.